In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect FAQ page for your Shopify store. We'll cover your homepage as well as your product pages, the apps you'll need, and why it's so important. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Alex. Let's get started. So first, I want to quickly go over why it's actually so important to include an FAQ section on your store. To give users basic information about your store and prevent an overwhelming amount of emails. So this basically just saves you time and money with customer service emails, because if you're getting the same questions popping up time and time again in your inbox, you might as well address those on the FAQ section to prevent that. At the same time, you're improving your customer experience and helping with their site navigation, while establishing trust and increasing your conversion rate. You can address new issues as they arise in your store by updating your FAQ section often. And now really quickly, I just want to go over an FAQ section for a well-known brand and see what they're doing so that you guys can get some ideas for your own stores as well. So this is the FAQ section for Microsoft, and you guys can see right here that everything on this page is simple and clean looking, and that's exactly what you want for your own stores. So they don't include too many questions on here so that they're not overwhelming their users, but they just answer what looks to be their most common questions within their own company. So over here on the left hand side, each question has a little drop down tab with a short and precise answer, and that's exactly what you guys want on your own stores. Everything is simple and clean to make things easy and give your users the best experience possible. Now let's go over the app that you'll need to set everything up. So there are many great options available. I just typed in FAQ on the Shopify App Store. I don't recommend one more than another, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to find a free app with a simple setup. So the first app that's not an add-on here has a free plan available, 5-star reviews with almost 300 people reviewing it. So we'll go with that one. What's there not to like about that? So let's see what is included on this app right here. So what I like about this already is that you guys can include an FAQ section in multiple areas of your store. So you guys can include it on the checkout page, on your product pages, a separate FAQ page, or just your home page if you want to. I like all of those features. Let's see what the pricing options are. So the free plan includes 10 FAQs, $3.99 a month for 30 FAQs, and if you guys want to pay $7.99 a month, you guys can get unlimited FAQs on your store. So the amount of help that these provide to your customers and clearing up your email and everything, I definitely think some of these paid plans are worth it. If you guys want to include these on your own store, you guys will see the difference once you guys put these up in place and everything else. But really, you just want an app with a simple setup, a professional looking presentation, and some sort of free plan to get you guys started. So go ahead and add this app or a similar app to your own Shopify store and go through the setup tutorial. And really quickly, let's talk about what you guys want to actually include in it. What to include in your FAQ page. So first, let's talk about your home page or a private FAQ page that you guys have set up depending on your preferences. And you just want to give basic information about your store, and this can be your shipping policy, your shipping speed, processing time, any return information, or anything related to those. You guys can check with similar and competitor stores for any additional ideas that you might have missed in your industry. You guys can use any common email questions because, like I said, this just prevents the question from popping up time and time again in the future. You guys want to link all of your policies that are relevant and include an order tracking form because, like I said, you want to prevent any repetitive emails from popping up. So now let's talk about your product page FAQs. You guys can check Amazon listings of your product. Make sure to check multiple listings. For the FAQ section of the Amazon page, you guys can see what Amazon users are asking about these products and what these sellers are answering. Just make sure to copy the most common ones for your specific products. Include any important and relevant information about your product. Include your policies such as shipping, return, or any other policies that relate to your product. And then you guys can also check under the AliExpress buyer question and answer section for your product. This is very similar to the FAQ section in Amazon, but this is just AliExpress users asking questions about your specific product as well. So always copy and paste any common questions that you spot for your store or for your products, and make sure to customize them to your own store and clean them up for branding purposes. So if there's any like spelling mistakes or grammar errors in there, you guys want to go through and correct those just so it's professional looking and cleaned up for your own store. After this video, you should have a professional looking FAQ page on your store. If this video helped you out in any way, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have 2 ecom resources in the description below for you guys. Feel free to check out all of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.